All right, welcome inside my Tesla Model 3. It's accessory week over here at Everyman Driver. I've got a new accessory for the back seat of my vehicle, and it is a combination unit. And all the information about this, including potential discounts and links, all kind of stuff, will be in the description below this video, so you can get one for yourself. There's other models, not just for Model 3. This is actually a Model Y and Model 3 combination of a 7.2-inch rear entertainment and climate control display. And I got the directions here. I install it, go through the steps, and if you like it, maybe you'll get one too. Let's get started. All right, here's the box, and here is the unit that I will be installing in the back. Now, here's where it's going. So right now, it's just climate control and a pair of USB-C ports. Now on here, here's the screen for entertainment, as well as USB-C ports and some of the vents. So it's just gonna replace it and enhance it and make it better and more comfortable and entertaining for those road trips and for the kids who are usually in the back seat. The step-by-step directions are online, but I also got a paper copy here. And so it's real simple. I've done most of this already, but I'm doing it for on camera so you can see how it's done. I'm going to pull this off, do some wiring changes, and then plug it in and install it. So in the box, they give you the tools. So at the very bottom of the rear vent outlet, you just pry open this piece, which will seem difficult at first, but it's not. Look how easy that was. Didn't even need a tool. I probably loosened it up from the first time I took it out, but it was really easy to pry it open. Now, next with the tool, you get underneath, just below here. This kind of snaps easily out of place, and there it is. This is what we're replacing with the new infotainment climate control combination screen. So all I gotta do now is take this blue piece off. So right here, comes off, pulls out, and now this will just be a souvenir. And here's the plug-in. That's the next part. So in the package, they include this harness in the box, and we're going to put this up through the gap at the bottom left of the air outlet and then pull it out from above. My next step is to route this cable underneath behind the passenger seat and hook it into the passenger seat so it can connect over there. At least that's according to the directions. So I'm just routing it under the two alignment slides for the passenger seat to keep it out of being kicked on or whatever. So I'll do it on both sides, and then I'll string it up and show you what it looks like and where to plug it in. All right, this may be a little bit hard to see, but the cable has come up behind and to the side of the passenger seat, and I pulled this apart, and there's a cable in here. It's pretty easy to see when you get there, to pull apart, and it's kind of a go-between. So what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna plug this one into one of the receiver of this, like so. That snapped in, and now this goes into the spot where this one just came out. So I pulled this away. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm just not going to even try. And then this, with the holes facing that side, will go into the spot where this one was. All right, good. It finally snapped in. That was a little bit of an issue, a little challenging. All right, the next step, turn off the power on the main screen and then unplug the blue canvas harness of the original vehicle and connect the white canvas adapter plug, and then install the plastic baffle back to the original vehicle. So I'm gonna use the screen up here. Under the car button, you go to safety and then power off. That way you follow the directions. All right, the next step is to use this go-between where that blue plug is right there. So all we're gonna do here is take this out and then replace it with this on this end. That's there and secure. And then this one goes over here. Hopefully you heard that snap. And now it's in. Take out some of this slack. Next step is to put the cover back on. That was super easy. Barely an inconvenience. And according to my directions, this piece is only used for Model Ys. Don't need this for the Model 3, so I'm just going to tuck that down in here. So here's the cable I need to power up my new infotainment and climate control screen, and I'll plug it in right here. And here is the big reveal. Boom. Ta-da! Yes. Successfully installed my screen. All right, I'm gonna put it back here on this spot, and then we'll go through it. So here's the climate control. Powered on. I can slide it that way, and I can see the flow of air in the back. And I can feel it just below here, because that's where the vent is. And turn up the fan power. Turn it down. Temperature is controlled there. Oh, this is nice. Controlling the seats. Oh, this is awesome. All closed. Oh, this is the best part. This is the part that I'm excited for the kids. We can have them watch videos, play music, Bluetooth, settings. I'll set the time and all that good stuff. Let's go. Original time. Display. Brightness is good. Factory set, we'll leave that as is. Go back to here. Android. Internet searching. Man, this is going to be really cool. I'm so glad that I got this because it's going to be so much more fun for the kids in the back playing music. I don't have anything on right now. And I can turn the power off just by tapping it. And there's a volume button right here. Sorry for the screen, but this is the best part, is the entertainment in the back. I also, the climate control system is pretty good too. The kids can control this in the back, or whoever is back here. Yes, so happy with this, so happy. Install really wasn't that bad. I knew what to do today, but even in the initial process, install was good and easy. Even though this is an Android version product, you can connect your iPhone Apple CarPlay compatibility. To make that connection, you go to Z-Link 5, and then via Bluetooth, you would connect your Apple device with the product here, and then you can mirror what's on your phone. As simple as that. That way you can play things through the entertainment display from your Apple device. So even though it's Android version, you can make it Apple CarPlay compatible. Well, that's going to conclude my install and demo of this rear entertainment and climate control display by Hansshow. All the information about this product, discounts, and ordering information, details will be in the link below this video. So check it out. In the meantime, I'm pretty excited about it. Thanks for watching this episode of Tesla Accessories here on Everyman Driver. Tesla Accessories. Say that 3 times real fast. Either way, adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.